for Just Nailed It, and today we are going to be trying out, reviewing, and playing with some Imethod Beauty nail foil glue. I have not tried this before. This is a PR package, so I'm going to be reviewing it. I have got 4 nails here set up. I've never used this product here before. I have used other nail foil glues that failed horribly. It comes in a 2-pack, as you see. And it is, let me put this aside and get my other phone. It is, here we go, right here. It is $12.99 on Amazon. You get 2 bottles, as I showed you. So we're going to put this on. I have used the Black by Diva in a bottle. It's the only black I own that are gel. Wait, no, yeah, I think that's pretty much the only black I own. So I went and cured that for a full 60 just so that it does not wrinkle. Just so it doesn't wrinkle. I'm going to put this thoroughly covering the nail. Make sure you get good coverage. Side to side. Make sure you get your sides really well. Your tips. I'm going to coat all 4 nails. Well, I'll save these 2 on the side just in case we don't need them. So I have got those. I am going to be using, remember this is by Imethod Salon Quality. So check them out. Here's the bottle. Check them out. I have got 2 different foils out that I'm going to use. They are both from Charlie's Nail Art. Oh, I thought these were open. My bad. Oh my goodness, I can't get them open. Is this one open? No. So there we go. We got the big scissors out for the big job. These, like I said, are from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. I am an ambassador for her, them, the company. I will leave my 10% off code down at the bottom. Look at these. Look how pretty these are. They're both Halloween, of course. Love, love, love. This has got a lot of ghosts. This has got the Mardi Gras masks. Some ghosts. Rest in peace. So I'm going to be taking a little smidge off of each nail, or each foil. Big dog scissors back out. Cut you a piece off. I got out my big baggies to put these in. I bought a great big quantity, different size mixed baggies. Oh, I can't get these open either. So, because, you know, I use the fake nails a lot, so that way I can just pop them off the stand right on the baggie, what they are, and I do keep them for every manicure that I've done since the last, at least the last year. At least. So I do save them, so I've got a large variety of sizes. So here, why not use them? I can save a lot of other things that I need, such as this example. So you can check out your multi-size baggies on Amazon, because that's where those come from. Everything's from Amazon. This is a PR items are used in this video. I will say that. This is a PR item, the foil glue. So, I gotta cure these. Duh. I'm gonna put them in the light for 30. Got the items cut out. Sorry. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That way you get notified of all future videos when you click the bell and click all. That way you're notified and you don't get lost in the hustle and the bustle of YouTube. Because God knows it's easy. There's a lot of us out there. Excuse me, I get parched real easy. Okay. Here we go, here we go. I guess this is like a tutorial too, the how-tos of, oh, let me go with this one first. I don't know how to place them. What design do we want? Place it strategically on the nail and rub, 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 baby in the tub. Rubber ducky, you're so fine. I know I can't sing, but it's so good for a laugh though, right? Rub, rub, rub. Maybe you don't have to rub as much as I'm doing, but I'd rather be sure, rather be safe than sorry. Oh my God, was I out of frame? Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm using a rubbing my finger. You can use a tool if you'd like. Press down real good with these. Press, press, press. Rub, rub, rub. Baby in the tub. I'm probably out of frame again, and I slowly peel off your foil. And as it sticks to you. And there you go. Nail number 1 successful. Let's go for nail number 2. Look at this foil. I think these are so pretty. I want the house on here for sure. Get that house on there. The looks kind of like a Disney house, but it's like a haunted house. Haunted house. When I cut, you can do 2 more nails off this sheet. Talk about being wasteful. Take your silicone tool if that's the method you want to use. Rub, 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 baby in the tub. There we go. We are going to top coat these and pop them in the oven. I got my Beatles top coat here, which I did purchase myself. The foils, it's kind of a toss in the air. They could be a PR item. I could have purchased them myself. So we're just going to go with PR item. That way our butts are covered. Beautiful foils, beautiful foil glue. I give it 2 thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Check them out on Amazon. It was, what was it, Amazon's preferred choice or something like that, where they like it too. Pop them, whoops. Pop them in the oven for a full 60 and we shall return. Alright, we are back. This is our review video for Imethod Beauty Nail Foil Glue. 2 packs for $12.99 on Amazon. Here are our 2 nails. I think these turned out beautiful. There's no hollow, but hello, Erica. Good morning. Well, these are our 2 nails we've done. I think they turned out great. I give this, like I said, a 2 thumbs up. So it's 2 nail foil glues that I approve of. This and my cart works like a dream also. So this is a PR video with a PR item. Well, this is the end of our video. Check them out on Amazon like I suggested. I don't have a code, not for this product. But I do give it 2 thumbs up and hope you check them out. I will have a link in the description box for said product. That way all you gotta do is just click. So check them out. Check out the rest of my videos. You might find something you like. You never know. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.